In this lesson, we will learn truncation. So truncate. So you can truncate to a decimal places or truncate to a significant figure. But truncate mean that is also in estimating, but without rounding. We are not doing the rounding side of it. So truncate we are missing one part of this one completely. But the numbers, whatever in there, we truncate with up to some point and we are removing the all others or making them as zeros without doing any rounding. Let's look at some examples. So truncate 3.784 to 1 decimal place. So what we are doing here is, as we did before, we are placing a horizontal line after the first decimal place. Here also we are truncating to 1 decimal place. Put the line after the first decimal place. Now you have to look at all the digits after the line and you have to remove them. That's all you have to do. We are not doing any rounding at all. Then if you truncate 3.784 to the first decimal place, you will be getting 3.7. Similarly, if you truncate 3.784 to 2 decimal places, then you have to put the line after the second digit. So but then you have to remove all the numbers after the line. So if you truncate 3.784 to 2 decimal places, you will get 3.78. In this lesson, we will look at how to truncate to significant figures. So truncate 63,854 to 3 significant figures. What you have to do, so you learned what is significant figures. So here the first non-zero number is the first significant figure. So 6 is the first significant figure, 3 is the second, 8 is the third significant figure. So you have to put the vertical line after the 8. Then you have to find any digits after the vertical bar and you have to make them as 0. Okay, so truncating 63,850 to 3 significant figures, you will be getting 63,800. Look at another example. So truncate 0.049888 to 3 significant figures. So here, what is the first significant figure? The first non-zero number from left to right, that is 4. So the 4 is the first significant figure. Therefore 9 is the second, 8 is the third. So you have to put the vertical line after the 3 significant figure. Then you have to make truncate, mean you are removing any numbers after the vertical line you placed and make them as 0. If they are digits, just completely remove them. If they are whole numbers, then you have to make them 0. So here you are removing them. So truncating 0.04988 equivalent to 0.0498.